Scotty, did you come over here to help me beat off?
I did.
You're making a mess. Wait, what?
Right? Okay, so I need a ratchet and a socket for this side.
You're a ratchet.
No, I'm wretched. Bobby, how many times do I have to teach you proper grammar?
Country grammar.
Kelsey Grammer, what?
What? I loved him in Frasier. Frasier, one of the smartest shows on television. Period. Okay, hold on. I'm getting you a socket. We'll be back after these.
Messages.
Moved a little bit.
No, because when you turned this, it turned this washer here, which is one of the eccentric points.
You're quite the eccentric point.
Let me get a good flat blade screwdriver.
Good flat blade, or do you want pry bar?
No, flat blade screwdriver. Oh, no, that's a good idea. I kind of like both, though.
Well, here's a pry bar.
Oh, that's too big. You'll never hear me say that again, I promise.
You've never said that in your life.
I agree, but I need something small.
Usually it's, ooh, look at that.
Right? So how about just a good flat blade screwdriver about yay long?
That's about the size you're used to.
Pretty much. I mean, I gotta have a handle.
Oh, God.